Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be basically cleaning and prepping a windshield on my wife's Prius, but this can be done for any vehicle. I want to go ahead and treat the windshields on the cars. So I'm going to start with her car and I'm going to repeat the process on my other cars, but I wanted to show you how it is done so that you can do it for yours too. I have actually driven literally hundreds of miles before without ever using my windshield wipers with it raining the whole time. So if you clean and treat your windshield, you can get amazing results, and especially at highway speeds. Slow down at city speeds and stuff, obviously you're going to have them because you don't have the wind and the speed to sheet the rain off. But this will also, if you do this religiously, you will also notice how your windshield wipers will last a lot longer because you are cleaning the glass and getting all the impurities and dirt and stuff out of it. So that's what damages the wipers over time. So if you keep this process up, you will notice that you don't have to change your wipers nearly as often. This will be the process that I do. So first, clean the glass, get as much dirt and stuff off that way. Then I'm going to use some glass cleaning clay, and I use some Speed Shine with as the lubricant for that. And after we get that done, I'm going to polish the glass, get it nice and smooth. I got my 3-inch orbital here to do that. And then the final step will be their brand new ceramic glass coating. So first step here. I've always liked this invisible glass. It's always worked really well. That step is done. My glass cleaning clay, and it's actually brand new. A brand new bar. So with the paint cleaning clay, I always spray a little bit of Speed Shine in it. You want to keep this stuff moist. You don't want it to dry out. So, glass some, and then we'll start. It's a little cold, so with clay, if you've never used it before, you basically, you don't have to press on it, let the clay do the work, but you want to have, you don't want it to stick, so you want it to be lubricated well. And I usually do a crosshatch pattern on it. Little swirls in there's nothing, just want to make sure you get all the glass. And this will pick up impurities that the window cleaner does not get. If you keep your glass clean and do this a couple times a year, then, and earlier I could kind of see a line from the wiper, from that far wiper when it stops here. I could kind of see it, and I don't see it anymore. We'll get this side. And you can actually see the black in it, the impurities that it's picking up in places. So that's why you do it. get the garbage out. And you can feel how slick it starts to feel. Whenever it grabs, you know it's picking up something, as long as it's lubricated. Okay. Polish. Try to spread it out. You don't want to sling it. So I usually work in like a 2x2 square, and I just slowly work my way around. And for the record, what I use these are 3-inch glass polishing pads. Okay. I'll let that kind of dry and haze out like you would any type of wax or anything like that. So continue on to this side. That's what happens when I forget to kind of smear it first. Not a big deal. I'll wipe it up, but okay. One last little section here. Alrighty. So now the polish is done, so I'll let that finish hazing over and we'll buff it off. So I grabbed another clean microfiber all polished now, silky smooth. And I take my invisible glass cleaner and I give it another cleaning. We are ready for ceramic coating. The kit comes with a little block right here, some felt wraps, some little towels or whatever that you put around it, and then you apply the ceramic glass coating to this and then proceed to apply. Go ahead and apply that there, and then just go in a nice smooth back and forth. You can see it go on, so you can see where you are. I'll break the windshield into 4 areas. Once you get done that way, then go ahead and go back this way. There we go, just like that. And then we'll reapply. The first coat, it says to let it haze up for approximately 10 minutes and then go ahead and apply a second coat. Passenger side here, and I'll do the same thing. Now I'll wait 10 minutes and I'll be back to apply the second coat. Time for the second coat. It's hazed up. So either wait about 10 minutes or until you see it haze over. That is it. Now let this haze over and we'll buff it off and we'll be done. It is now hazed over, so we'll wipe it off and then buff it. So you want to have 2 microfiber towels. You want to have one to go ahead and wipe it. And I will do this, and then I'll take my second towel and I'll wipe it again. I always want to make sure, and since it's my wife's car, you always want to make it perfect. She works tonight. She works nights as a nurse, so she'll be happy driving into work when it's raining and that water's just sheeting off, and she won't even need to use her wipers once she gets to the highway. Okay. So there you have it, guys. So that's how you can prep and clean, make your windshield perfect, and then for any inclement weather, rain or snow or whatever, it will help keep the windshield clearer, longer, without having to use the wipers nearly as much. And it's just a great thing. If you've never experienced any kind of windshield treatment, you need to do it. It's a life changer if you live in areas with rain and snow, sleet, whatnot. So give it a shot. Any questions, please ask. Feel free to comment anything down below. What have you guys used in the past? What have you liked, disliked on different things? And let me know. Be interesting conversation. And if you like these types of things, hey, please like and subscribe. And till next time, guys, we'll see you down the road.